Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. Now it's a Mark 7 facelift, 1.4 litre TSI GTE Advanced 204 PS. Now the car is in great nick and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, ultrasonic front and rear optical and audible parking sensors, front assistant collision mitigation, a rear view camera, a city emergency brake, and 18-inch Marseille alloy wheels. The boot, it's a decent size as well. The interior has 2-zone climate control, heated front seats, and an 8-inch colour touchscreen. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.